Hey guys, I just have a quick update about these Aztec decals, specifically their instructions. Now it turns out that some of the numbers, specifically for the nacelles on the first batch of instructions, the numbers are not correct. Now round two is already on top of this. They already have a new set of instructions made up, but it looks like it didn't make it onto the first batch of decals. So these are the updated numbers for the instructions for decaling the nacelles. Now, round two is going to put this up on their website. They're going to put it up on their blog, and I'm sure it's going to be passed from modeler to modeler. We're going to put it up on our official All Scale Trek Model Preview Facebook group. Now, all is not lost, even if you don't have it, because the instructions are very clear and you can match up just kind of the pictures. A lot of these are really unique shapes that wouldn't go anywhere else on the model. So, of course, a big thank you to round two for catching this, and a big thank you to round two for very quickly getting a new set of instructions set up. It's too bad it won't be on the packaging when the first wave goes out, but they've put it out all over the internet, so hopefully modelers can find the right set of directions and save themselves a little bit of a headache. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.